Day 5 na po tayo ngayon. Another day and another way of figuring out on how to make six figures. One of the best ways daw to make six figures is by giving value to people. One of them din naman is answering questions or solving their problems. So ang question dito is, gumagamit ba tayo ng TikTok ads or yung TikTok promote? And my answer is, yes, I do use them. Short background lang, nag-aral ako ng Facebook ads just to add it up on my skills to offer as a VA. Anyways, ang ads kasi, yan ang magpupush sa post mo to the right people. And those right people will receive a specific solution na in-offer mo. And by that solution, masosolve yung problem nila, and by that, they will now trust you. And once magain mo na yung trust nila, it will have a higher chance na they will buy what you promote simply because meron kang mga na-solve and meron kang mga solutions na in-offer sa mga problems nila. I'll maybe share basic strategies na ginagamit ko on how to optimize your ads, but maybe that's on the next videos. You can follow me for more para makita mo yun. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir JD for giving this give and take principle, kaya gumagawa rin ako ng content ngayon. Isa si Sir JD sa mga hindi nag-gatekeep ng mga tips dito. So you can follow him. I know you too will figure out how to earn six figures by this kind of skills. So sama-sama natin i-figure out how to earn six figures. But yan lang muna for now and see you tomorrow.